Hi and welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I've got a few different items to share with you today from GBFKE. So we'll start with the big one this time, though it is partially in sight of course, but let me get rid of crinkles. There we go. So this is a new storage case that I've seen. It's similar to other ones that are out there, but we all have our preferences on the likes of design, and I thought this one was pretty. So it has like silver glitter hearts in with it, but it's got this nice design. They do a pink one as well as a blue one, but can you see it's got the hearts all the way round, all over the case. And then it does come with the little bottle storage, but this is the layout for this one. So it does come with your storage diamonds, but storage stickers, sorry, but you do get the little pots, same as what you get in many, but sometimes it's just the layout or how many that can make a difference. You get the big ones in the bottom, and if the lid's on properly, you get the small ones in the top. So sometimes I like to split this between two projects, and you get 2, 4, 6, 7, 14, 28 per container. So you've got 28 here and you've got 28 there, which is a nice amount. Some of the cases that I've got only do 24. You can get some that just do a 30 across the bottom, but quite often 28 is enough, and of course if it's not, you've also got the second section. You can use these storage cases with just the one in, or you can actually stack them that way if you prefer, and then close the lid. Maybe if you want it with two so it doesn't weight down a little bit, or you can of course have them in two sections like that and double up the amount that you've got, so you'll end up with 52 different storage pots. It really is up to you, but that's what I like about these cases, is that they can be flexible. So quite often I actually prefer to have these sat on the top rather than in the lid, which means when I'm opening it, closing it, it doesn't get weighted down. But it really does depend what you're working on. If you're working on a table, you may actually find that you can prop this up against maybe your back wall or something, and therefore you prefer to be able to get hold of both. And what's good is the fact that it will accommodate whichever way you want to work, because it's just little foam inserts. They're not stuck in any way, they'll move. You could just use it to hold your projects and actually take the whole foam piece out when you're working on something. But it's pretty as well, which always helps. So I will pop a link to it below. You do get a load of stickers for labelling up your pots. And they do also sell stickers as well if you need extras, of course depending on how much you diamond paint. And then one of the other things, I have got little bits of glitter on me now. You gotta love something when it's new, it sheds more. But yeah, I do like a nice, snack project, as I call them, and this one is a partial bookmark. So if you do like your special diamond projects, this one's a partial, so it'll take less than some of the others, of course. You do get a standard toolkit, boat wax pen. You get a nice purple bookmark tassel to pop in when you're finished. And I have actually done this painting, this image as a painting in a round versus square comparison, but this is of course different again. So we have black diamonds, we then have rhinestones in yellow, we have some pretty blue rhinestones, they're nice, I like those. We have some nice pinks, we have green, and then we do have some bigger different shape ones in pink, and we have some little tiny teardrops in blue as well. So nice bit of variety there in regards to placing your diamonds. pop the little tassel in there just to make sure that it stays safe. I'll deal with any packaging later. And then last but not least, we have, and if I've got the right one, which is always a bit hit and miss, this one I think is, yes, I've got the right one. So this one is also along the sort of special diamonds route, but we'll have a little bit of a theme for this unboxing. Toolkits and special diamonds. But this one I thought this looked really fun. So this is Jellyfish. You know, may not be everybody's cup of tea, especially if you've been stung by one. But these are pretty jellyfish that don't sting. So could be very fun to work on. You do get a standard toolkit, boat wax and pen. And then this one has a variety, loud noise, a variety of different rhinestones. Let's find the sort of smaller side. Here we go. So let's start with the small ones. So we have quite a lot in this, so I think this would take, it's a bit more than an evening project maybe. But we have pink, silver, purple, yellow in small. Then we go to a bit bigger round ones. So we've got 2 more different sizes of yellow. We've got then small blue, small green, medium pink, big pink. I'm trying to see them over the top. Then we've got medium purple. Then we've got bigger purple. By the looks of it, the machine lost those ones when it was bagging them up, but they have been added in a baggie. Then we have small blue and bigger blue. There were a few in there, but it mustn't have been enough, so they've given us more. Then we have bigger in silver, teardrops in red, and small in silver. So a nice sort of variety amount of colours and sizes, even though they're the same colour. And that can often turn out really nice on a painting as well. If you have the same colour but in different sizes. Excuse me while I force these to go back. Never as neat as when they first do it. Symbols are really clear. Symbols are numbers and letters, and it is a partial, so you just sort of do the outline, and then you of course doing some sorts of little patterns on the jellyfish as well. Really nice. Of course, we don't do all this black. We basically add the colour to the jellyfish. So yeah, that is my items from GBFKE for this week. Thank you so much to them for sending me these. I will pop links to them all below, but we've got a bookmark, a special diamond painting, and another type of glitzy case, because if you know me, I love storage and I love to have different varieties of storage for that reason as well. But thank you so much for joining, and I will speak to you all again soon.